Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has added 0.8% in the last two sessions. The RSI shifted sharply into overbought territory. Bitcoin has lost 0.7% in the last session. The RSI is receding and is currently neutral. The price of gold has fallen 1.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI transitioned into the oversold area. The price of crude oil has gained 2.2% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator plunged into the neutral area.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
China is about to become the country that possesses the most refining capacity in the world due to closures of refineries in the current number one refiner, the United States. Eurozone business activity contracted sharply this month as renewed lockdowns forced many firms in the bloc's dominant service industry to close temporarily. Ethereum and Ripple have seen sharp upward price action, the latter almost doubling its value in days. The price rally seemingly lacks any specific news-related catalyst.
Thank you for this. Now coming up, today's major economic events.
The Swiss ZEW expectations will be released at 900 GMT, the U.S. MBA mortgage applications at 1200 GMT, the U.S. continuing jobless claims at 1330 GMT, the U.S. durable goods orders at 1330 GMT, the U.S. GDP at 1330 GMT, and the U.S. crude oil inventories at 1530 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.